Blake and Sam, and we are going to be doing another video about more control cars. Today we have a Savage Flux Brusher System HP with some pretty big tires on it. We upgraded this one a bit. These tires don't work that good, so I mean, this one falls off and then the pin makes it falls out, so it can't do four-wheel drive, it only three-wheel drive. So, and the tire keeps falling off.
Okay, so
And then we have the Ford Raptor, and this video is going to be called.
We showed you in our last two videos. And then Blake's brother has a Stampede that we might show you later in the video.
These are the remotes.
Blake, do you want to go get him? So that's my remote for the Ford Raptor.
This is the HPI Racing Savage. It's not Traxxas, so I'm confused. And the parts are a lot harder to find. I mean, not a lot, but hard.
And then
So let's get dirty.
okay, this video will be called Let's Get Dirty.
We're not going to get too dirty, though, because then we'll get in trouble.
So, yeah. Well, who wants to go first, Blake?
Oh, crap. Oh, yeah. Can't. Okay. Well, I'll go first, I guess.
Okay, Blake is going to go first.
There.
There's a mini bike.
Oh, and we might be the tilt. This thing is very touchy and it doesn't have. See, watch, I'm not even going to press half throttle. Very touchy. See? I didn't even press it a fourth and boom. Well, the tire is very wiggly, so I'm not going to be driving it like a maniac. Like I usually do.
We'll show you this puddle we found.
Tires are actually bigger than you like it. Do close up.
So, these are the tires.
Massive.
They're massive.
The other tires are like half that size. Let's go. They look a lot bigger in real life.
Yeah. We'll show you the puddle that we found.
It's not that big, so I think it just helps us. Okay, you can turn the call. I'm just gonna. Do I got the bungee cord?
So, I'll just run down there. Here's the puddle. Okay, just wait. Here's the puddle we found. I don't know if I can get a better view of this. Well, first there's this huge puddle and that huge puddle. So, I'll be driving now. So, bye. Okay, guys, we're back. We just decided to do Blake till 4 minutes so he can get 2 minutes to do this.
Yeah!
Oh, there's the Stampede.
Yeah, that thing's good.
And we'll see what I'm driving. Bye, guys. Hi, we're back, guys. And we'll be driving the Ford Raptor.
We might do a video of mine pulling this one, but
When I get stuck.
when you get stuck later, like tomorrow or in like a week.
Probably less than a week, but
Yeah.
yeah. We'll see you in the next video. And driving the Raptor, and they might have their Blake might have his E-Max here, maybe. And
no.
maybe.
Should just drive away.
Okay, well, so we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Drive at me.